I am Shakir Azim, a passionate and experienced web developer dedicated to crafting exceptional online experience. With a deep understanding of front-end and back-end technologies, I specialize in creating dynamic and user-friendly websites that not only meet my clients' need but also exceed their expectations. Throughout my several years of experience in the industry, I have worked with diverse clients, helping them establish a strong online presence and achieve their digital goals. My technical skills include proficiency in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and various CMS, especially in WordPress. Let's dive into some of my samples.